Hi, it's me, Mr. Plumber, and today we're on a job where we installed a Buderus GB142 60, which is the largest Buderus condensing boiler that they make that's wall hung. So the largest GB142. And here it is. This is direct vent, so this is our exhaust, and this is our intake. It gets communicated directly with the outdoors. This does not go into a chimney, and it's vented in just standard, regular PVC pipe. This boiler is so efficient that it creates a lot of moisture, so that's why we have a condensate drain here. And this, it also drains from inside the body itself. On this particular job, there's no floor drain or anywhere to drain it or sink or anything, so we had to pump it with a condensate pump. This gets tied into our Super Stor unit, and this is indirect fire. The Super Stor unit has a lifetime warranty, and this gets tied into our, it's like a heating zone. And here are all of our boilers, our circulators. There are 6 additional circulators, so there's 6 zones, and the series loop baseboard. And this is our air eliminator device, our backflow preventer, and our expansion tank. As you can see, on each of these zones we ran PEX Vega tubing, which works quite well, and it's a lot less expensive and a lot faster than copper. The circulators we use are the Grundfos 3-speed circulators, and these actually have a little dial, and you can adjust the speed of the circulator. There's 3 settings, so for now we're going to keep this on the lowest setting. The Buderus 142 has a draw that comes out, and this is where you can set your domestic hot water temperature, and this is where you can set your boiler water temperature, and here's the display. This also has an additional control inside, which gets hooked up to our outdoor air sensor. And these are our purge setups to purge the air out, and it also works as a drain. Now, you may have noticed that there are no flow checks on the system, and that's because the flow checks are internal to these circulators, so there is no need for an additional flow check. Each heating zone goes through this zone relay box, and when a thermostat calls, it turns on the pump directly. And the GB142 also has priority zoning built into it, so this heating unit will not, this zone box will not get energized until the domestic hot water is satisfied. This is our termination of the PVC piping for the Buderus unit. This is our intake, which takes the air in to the boiler, and this is the exhaust. In Massachusetts, we're required to have this sign that says keep clear of this vent and keep it clear of obstructions. So this is aimed this way to keep it away from the house, and it also, as you can see, there's a little bit of moisture right there. It does produce a little bit of moisture. And that's pretty much it for this installation. And our website is www.aquaflowplumbing.com. That's www.aquaflowplumbing.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.